Welcome to this episode of Ink It Up with Jessica TV. I'm Jessica Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy gift card holder. You're going to start with a piece of cardstock that is 4¼ inches by 6½ inches, and we're going to score that at 1¼ inches and 4¼ inches. I've chosen to use the Simply Scored scoring board so that I can mark my measurements before I do the scoring. Then we'll just fold on those score lines to make our gift card holder. So that the gift card can stay inside, I'm going to add a little adhesive on the small flap here, just on both ends. And I'm going to use tear and tape adhesive because this really sticks and I know that my gift card will be secure inside. Next, I'll decorate the outside. You could always stamp on this. I'm going to add some decorative paper. This is 2 inches by 4 inches. And I'm just going to use some snail adhesive to tape that to the front flap of my gift card holder. Next, I'll make my belly band. This is a 1 inch by 6½ inch strip of, this is designer series paper, a pretty pattern paper. You could also use cardstock for this. But I'm just going to gently fold it around. I'm not going to score it at any certain measurements. I'm just going to gently fold it around. And then I'll use one strip of the tear and tape to keep that in place. Next, we'll create the decorative front with our greeting. To do that, I'm going to stamp on Whisper White cardstock in Real Red and Call Me Clover. The May Your Christmas Be and the Bright are 2 different stamps, so it makes it easy to stamp it in 2 different colors. Then we'll punch that out with the 2-inch circle punch. If you turn it upside down, you'll be able to center your greeting right inside. And behind that, we have a star circle, starburst maybe it's called. So I'm gonna go ahead and punch that out of the Call Me Clover cardstock that I used for my base. And we'll just add a little tape on the back of that to tape those 2 together. Now, when you tape this on the front, you don't want to put tape all over the back of this, or you'll tape this so that you can't take the belly band off and open up your card to get the gift card. So I just add a little bit of the tape to the front of the belly band, so I know I'm not going to have tape where I don't want it. And then I'll center my greeting right over top of that and press it into place. And there you have a really quick and easy gift card holder. I hope you'll give these a try if you're giving any gift cards for Christmas this year. Happy stamping!